expanded column subtraction. First of all, we need to expand or partition the numbers out into hundreds, tens and units. So as follows, we take 4, 4, 6 on the top. So we've got 4 hundreds, 40 tens and 6 units. And then beneath we've got 2 hundreds, 110 and 3 units. So it's column. Okay, so column subtraction is a column method. We put our equals at the bottom. We must remember to add in the subtraction sign, and then we start from the right hand side on our units. 3 from 6 is 3. Then move up to the tens. 10 from 40 is 30. 200 from 400, our hundreds, is 200. And then we simply recombine them, add them all together. 200 add 30 add 3. So it's, start from the units, 3, 3, 2, which is our answer. Okay, so expanded column subtraction again, but this time with borrowing. So same as before, we split out the numbers or partition them. So on the top we've got 4 hundreds, 40 tens and 6 units. And then below we've got 2 hundreds. Remember to keep them in the same columns. 110 and 8 units. Okay, again add in the equals underneath, same as the last method. Make sure you add in the subtraction sign. This time, however, take the bottom number from the top. We can't take 8 from 6. Lots of children will make the mistake and they'll switch around and they'll try and take the 6 from the 8. You must remember to take the bottom number from the top number. And as you can see, we can't physically take 8 from 6. So what we do is we need to borrow a 10 from the next column up, and we just add in the units, tens and hundreds. So I'm going to cross out the 40. I'm going to take a 10 off so it turns to 30, and then I'm going to take a 10 across. So this now becomes 16. So now I can take 8 from 16, which is 8. I can take 10 from 30, which is 20. And I can take 200 from 40, which is 200. Okay, this time we're doing compact column subtraction. So we write our top number on, 4, 4, 6, and then underneath 2, 1, 3, making sure that we've got the units, the tens, and the hundreds in the right columns. Add our equal sign at the bottom, and you must remember to add the correct sign in. We start on the units on the right hand side. 3 from 6 is 3. 10 from 40 or 1 from 4 is 30. And then 2 from 4 or 2 from 400 is 200. So our answer is 2, 3, 3. Okay, so compact column subtraction, but this time with borrowing. So write our numbers down again. 4, 4, 6, which is our first number. 2, 1, 8. Remember to put the units, 6 and the 8 underneath each other. 40 under the 10 underneath each other. And the hundreds, the 400 and the 200 underneath each other. Equals underneath. Add in the right sign, which is subtraction. 8 from 6 we can't do. Same as before. You cannot take the 8 from the 6. Lots of children will try and switch it round and take the 6 from the 8 because they don't understand what to do. What you do in this case is we borrow from the tens column. So the 4 or the 40 becomes 30. We take a 10 across, so the 6 becomes 16. Now you can take 8 from 16, which becomes 8, 1 from 3 or 10 from 30, which becomes 20, and then 200 from 400 or 2 from 4, which becomes 2 or 200. So our answer is 2, 2, 8.